Hi guys, Andrew here at Urban Automotive, local Ontario, Canada, here to give you a little tip about changing windshield wipers on your car. Everybody thinks they can do everything themselves on YouTube and all that. Changing wipers, this customer went to change their wipers themselves. You pull the arm up to change it, you left it up in the air. Do not do that. These arms are spring loaded, they have quite a bit of tension on it to keep good contact for your wiper blade across your windshield. However, it doesn't take much for this to come down. This one here did come down on this customer, smashed the windshield, cracked it up, and then you're into a windshield replacement. Nowadays with these modern vehicles with the advanced driver assist, they have cameras up here in the top of the windshield, which sometimes require recalibration. This customer here, windshield, almost into $1,000 for this one here. So easy tip, if you've got the wiper blade up and you're going to get your new one, gently put it back down on the wiper blade while you're doing whatever else you have to do, and then just simply snap on the new one. Save you the cost of the windshield there. Take care, be aware. Urban Automotive, safety first.